Welcome to our foot massager showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular products, the HoMedics Shiatsu Select Foot Massager with Heat and the Medcursor Foot Massager Machine. Both of these devices promise to provide relief for tired feet, but they come with different features and functionalities. Let's dive into their specifications and see how they stack up against each other. The HoMedics Shiatsu Select features an open platform design, allowing your feet to rest comfortably on top of the massage nodes. This design is great for accommodating various foot sizes. In contrast, the Medcursor foot massager has an enclosed design that provides a more immersive experience, holding your feet securely against the massage rollers. This design can enhance the effectiveness of the massage, but may limit comfort for larger feet. The HoMedics model offers a straightforward Shiatsu massage with 12 massage nodes and toe touch control, but lacks intensity customization. On the other hand, the Medcursor model provides a comprehensive massage experience with rolling, kneading, and 360 degrees air compression, along with adjustable intensity levels. This makes it suitable for users who prefer a more tailored massage experience. Both foot massagers come with a heat function to enhance the massage experience. The HoMedics model provides gentle warmth, which is soothing but not overwhelming. In contrast, the Medcursor model heats up to a maximum temperature of 131 degrees Fahrenheit, offering targeted heat that can help alleviate muscle tension more effectively. This feature is particularly beneficial for those suffering from conditions like plantar fasciitis. In conclusion, both the HoMedics Shiatsu Select Foot Massager and the Medcursor Foot Massager Machine have their unique strengths. If you value portability and simplicity, the HoMedics model may be the better choice. However, if you're looking for a more advanced massage experience with customizable features, the Medcursor is worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.